Hi boys and girls, and welcome to Garden Guitar. 3 a.m. Vidas Pasadas. Great song here. I like the chord progression of this one. It flows very well and an easy strumming pattern to that. So let's start this one up. We have, I think it's 5 different chords. So let's take a look at the chords now. We have the D. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. The next chord will be an A, but with a C sharp in the bass. So what I do here, I place a bar here on the 2nd fret from the D string and down, so 4 strings from bottom and up like this on the 2nd, and then you add the 4th fret on A. And with that, I try to avoid the last E string here when I strum with my strumming hand, so I play a little more in the mid strings for this chord. Alright, so that's the AC. Then we have B minor next. So that's a bar chord. Still a bar here on the 2nd fret. This time we need to include the A as well. So all strings except from the last E string here. So 5 strings from bottom up. And then the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. That's the B minor. Then we have the A. So that's open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. And then finally we have the G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Alright, so before we look at the chord progression, we need to learn the strumming pattern that will be used here for the song. So let's grab the first chord, that's the D. And one strumming around will be down, down, up, clap, up, down, up. Like this. Again. So it starts with down, down, up, clap. And it ends with up, down, up. So down, down, up, clap, up, down, up. That's one round. Alright, so let's take a look at the chord progression here. You will play D for 2 rounds. And the AC for 2 rounds. And then the B minor one. Then A1. Then G1. And back to A1. And that's what's going on in this song. So let's take a couple rounds of this chord progression, and it sounds like this. So 3 a.m. Vidas Pasadas. So thank you for watching here, guys. And if you like this tutorial, please show me some love here, thumb up, and subscribe. Till next time, play tuned.